Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a bubble chat effects on VN. So first, import your clips and then add the text. Click on text here at the top and choose text. And then here, find it on the text template. Just scroll down until you find message. So this one's right here. Click on view more to see more options, and then here you can just choose which one that you want. For example, I want to add just this bubble chat here, and you can adjust the size and also the message here. I'm going to go in here, and then here I'm going to add the text. Hi, how are you today? Okay, click on the check icon, and now you can add some motions here. I'm going to add, click on the text and then click on motion, and here I'm going to choose scale. Click on the check icon, and then you can also add a sound effects to the message, but I think that's enough. So here is the result for my bubble chat video, like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. At last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.